Video will demonstrate how to autoload coring matrices from the IODP LIMS database. So you can see this is a new experiment, and I've already opened up the standard COD menus, COD data, COD image, and COD functions. We need one more menu to complete the job. So I go to the includes files folder on your hard drive and look for includes coring matrix. Give it a double click. There you have it. When I opened it, it auto-compiled, so we see coring matrix menu right up there. Close this guy. We want to hide it, not kill it. And we don't need this anymore. All right, now we need some data. I've gone to the Science Applications web page of the TAMU IODP database. And what we want is the LIMS online reports. Here we are, and under the reports, under summaries, we'd like to use the section summary. We'll go to Expedition 321, which is one I'm familiar with, and we will pick site U1337, and we'll have hole A. Let's view the data. And here it is. Now for Janus data, we were able to copy and paste into a table, but in LIMS, the table that you see doesn't always show all of the data. So what we do is download the data as a tabular file. And I'm putting it in a folder called Core Data. All right, while we're at it, we might as well do hole B. We'll view the data. Got what we want. Turn it into a tabular file. And there we go. All right, we're back here. We go to COD coring matrix, and we go to LOR create coring matrix. We want to use 9 as the default. We'll continue. And we want to find those data files. It's desktop core data. And we'll take the first one we did. Here's a problem. It says the section wave is loaded as a text wave. It usually occurs when a section in the first line of the external file is CC. You will need to substitute 9 for CC in the first line of the data and load again. So it's a good thing it did this. It shows you an error that's pretty rare but might be confusing. So what we need to do is go to the data file that we created, which was this first one. Open them up. Now you see there's a CC there. So we will replace that with a 9. And then we will export to a CSV file. And we'll overwrite the original. Move him out of the way. Now let's go back to LOR create coring matrix. Take that guy, and now you get this message that has one core with more than 8 sections, but we put that 9 in there. So this is all right, and we can proceed. Now sometimes when you have a broken, busted core liners, that sort of thing, you may actually wind up with 8 or 9 or 10 sections. Then you'll get this message, and you'll know that you need to change the designation from 9 to 12 or 15 or whatever is appropriate. Anyway, in this case, we want to proceed. We say yes. No addition errors. There we go. Now let's do the second one for the heck of it. That would be this guy here. Okay. And here are our two coring matrices. I'll open one of them up. So you see here in the top layer, we see the depths to the top of each section in MBSF or CSF. So that's section 1, which only had a core 1, which only had a core catcher, which we found out because of the error. And then core 2, section 1, section 2, section 3. We go to the second layer, we see the lengths of each of the sections and core catchers. And there's a third layer which is reserved for the MCD or CCSF values once we've done splicing or site-to-site or hole-to-hole matches. We'll take a look at the second one just for laughs. Okay, all good. That's the way you do it.